Hey, what's up people? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to backup and restore your WordPress website using Cpanel. So we have logged into Cpanel. Just log into your Cpanel dashboard and go to this option under files called Backup Wizard. So you will see this option here under files. So just click on this Backup Wizard. And once you open this backup wizard, you'll have an option to backup and restore. So you'll have all these settings. You can restore home directory, MySQL database, email forwarders, and everything. So I'll go for a full backup. If you want a partial backup, you can select the partial backup. If you want to download only the home directory or this email forwarders, you can do that. But I will show you full backup in this demonstration. So both are similar. Just click on full backup, and this will start creating a backup in the backend. So before you proceed, it will ask you the backup destination where you want to keep this file, and if you want this as an email, you can opt for that and click on generate backup. So once you click on that, it will start generating the backup file in the background, and once this is done, you can go back and you will see backups here. One is in progress, and this is my old backup that I just tested. So if you click on that backup file, it will download to your PC. Just save this on your computer, and once this is done, the next step is to backup this, restore this backup. So I'm going to be showing you how to restore that as well. So you can see the backup file is downloaded and is ready. So all you have to do is just go back to the same settings under Backup Wizard, and instead of backup, you will select restore. So you can see we'll click on restore button, and unfortunately guys, with this version of Cpanel, we can only restore partially. Like if you have downloaded home directory, MySQL database, email forwarders, and email filters, you can only download that. But I'm gonna, assuming that we downloaded home directory, I will show you how to do that as well, and I'll show you how to do a full backup. So let's say I'll select home directory because let's assume you downloaded home directory from the backup, and you'll click on that and select the file using choose file, and you'll select the backup file wherever you have stored in the computer and click on upload. And once you click on upload, that will start uploading the home directory or the MySQL databases or whatever that you have selected as partial backup to your website, and it should work. And in this next step, I'm going to be showing you how to do a full backup. For that, you'll have to open your Cpanel and go to File Manager. So let's quickly open File Manager, and in the File Manager, make sure you select public_html and select the directory. For now, I will upload this under public_html, and just click on upload file and upload this backup. And after this is uploaded, right click and extract. Make sure you select the right location, otherwise it will not work. And once the upload is completed, make sure to delete this backup from your file manager so it can save some space. And that's how you do it. If you find it very difficult, leave a comment. I'll make a detailed video for this. Thank you so much. See you. Bye-bye.